Up everybody, it's your boy Batman D back here with another video, and today we're in the garage about to install the new fog lights on the car. I got them sitting right here. I had to run to AutoZone to get the little plastic whatever tool to pop these little doohickeys up. So I'm not going to show you step by step. I might pause and like show you what I done took off and what to do to take it off. Other than that, not trying to make this like a how-to video. It might be, I don't know. We'll see in the video. So I'm gonna prop y'all up on the tripod and we're gonna try to knock this out. So it's getting kind of dark out. Got my light up here, bright as crap too. So I also got the garage door open just to get some extra lighting. So we'll try to knock this out quick as possible. First I'm gonna show y'all before and after. I'm gonna show you before, then I'll show you after. So we get started. Okay, I got all these removed. There's 3 on each side. These things right here. Took a regular, flathead screwdriver because this crap did not work. I think it's a little bit too big. So, gonna pull this off. Slide it from one of the grooves, just right here. Should just lift right up. Set this aside. Then you got, let me see. Oh, it's gonna be, let's see, where's the cord? I see the headlight, but where's the cord? I don't see it. It's too dark. Ah, there you go. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. It's like right there. So that's why I say I'm about to unbolt this and that just to get this loose just a little bit. And I'll snap these right here so you can stick your hand down there. And most likely we'll have to take this off, this whole grill. So knock that out and we'll be on our way to replacing.
Six and a half hours later.
Okay, finally got it done, but oh my God, it was a fight. But you want to have yourself a flathead screwdriver or maybe a Phillips, because you're gonna have to bend this upward over that, and the hardest one to reach is that one down there at the bottom. Then after that, once you get that done on both sides, gonna be clips there, one behind the headlight, the fog light, and there goes the other one behind the fog light. You want to be able to push them up and pull towards you with the grill, and then come right out. So, we got that done. Well, y'all had to come inside because it's getting dark and I do not have a light on my bench in the garage yet. So I have to come inside and do this. So you're gonna need a star bolt to get these headlights out. That's in this bracket. So I'm gonna speed pad this. Gonna take a couple of seconds, minutes for me, seconds for y'all. So get this over with. As you can see, I got both of the fog lights out. You want to pull on these edges right here. Just pull back, and they come right back out. They'll come right out, easy. So now to install the lumens. My daughter ran in here so quick and left out. That's about the heat. That's what passes to it. Big difference, look at that. These are a whole lot heavier. So they probably add a little bit to no weight to the car. I mean, yeah, definitely weight to it. Alright, y'all, got everything installed on here. Let's reinstall it, but first we want to test everything, make sure it works. Now, I think yeah, I need that other thing off that headlight. Now that looks nice. That look evil. First start up. The new headlights in is a whole lot brighter, but the reason why the blue lights tint whitish color is the fog lights. They're sitting low because I don't have it fully installed yet. I just got it leaning on the bumper, but finna fully install this. Not gonna show that part, just want to show y'all how bright they are. I am gonna take it on the street, go to my favorite spot, and show y'all how I look in pure darkness. So I can see it's daylight and it's basically the next day. I tried to record this video at night, didn't turn out too good, so I'm here now. So I'm finna show y'all how the headlights look, not headlights, the fog lights look in the daylight. And oh my God, these headlights got this car looking a whole lot more aggressive, a whole lot more. Y'all think I should black out that pony badge? They're focusing on my finger. But yeah. Or leave it chrome. Or get it like half blue and half black. Or just remove it in general and put a Batman badge with emblem on the front and do that all black or half blue and half black. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I also got a surprise for y'all. The hood is in. And I did take a picture of the hood. I took it out of the box just a little bit just to see where any damage is on there before I sign papers on it. Y'all always want to do that when you get a package like that. And it looked nice. And I'm debating, my friends got me like thinking right now, should I just go ahead, you know, get it painted to match the car, or get it wrapped gloss black and then get the roof of the car wrapped gloss black and just paint the bumper when they come in. And I'm really debating that. I really am. So it'll be cheaper to just go ahead and wrap it and then wrap the roof to have it matching, and then just paint the bumper. But this car is coming together a lot quicker than I thought it would. I thought it'd be years before I get this car looking like I want it. That booty look nasty. We got a duck over here. Look real nasty. And I did find out they do make a bigger version of that. And I'm talking to the guy now, trying to see if we can get it, you know, a whole lot bigger. A whole lot bigger. Like it's noticeable bigger. So yeah, man. Tell me what y'all think about these fog lights, man. Y'all love them? Y'all hate them? Should I kept the factory ones in, or should I would have got rid of the fog lights altogether? I like to know people's thoughts on stuff like this. Let me turn them on and show you how they actually look when they're on. I don't think my car has to be on. I don't think they has to be. I'll have to find out. Yeah, it look like my car has to be on. Or at least the key gotta be in the ignition, one of the two. Oh, there we go. nice. Now I would try to get a night clip of it, a better one at my house. So if you don't see nothing after this, I didn't do it. But if you do, I did. Yeah, I like the look. A whole lot better than the factory look. A whole lot better. Can't stop looking at it, baby. Well, that's gonna be the end for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell button so you can be notified every time I drop a video. And please drop a like on the video, because that will help with, with the YouTube algorithm, so to get my, video, to circulate on YouTube, so we get the views up and we get that, subscriber up. So the more we get the views up, the more we get the subscribers up, the more we get to do. This your boy Batman D. I love your support, and let's not forget, shout out to Raxium for hooking your boy up. And also, the discount is in the subscription. Can't even talk right now. Like, I'm still looking at this car. But anyway, this your boy Batman D, and I'm out of here.